Hello stock traders, I hope all of you are having a fantastic morning. Do you have those gas pump blues? I know I do. Went to the pump today and was very discouraged by how much it costs. Well, if you are looking to beat those blues, I have 3 energy stocks that should really help you out to help cheer you up. But before I get going into this video, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. We do have my Patreon group. There is a link in the description down below. If you are looking for my buy and sell alerts on any of my swings or insiders or PDUFA run-up plays or squeeze plays, that is the place to get it, and I hope to see you there. One thing we know for sure is that gas prices are probably going up. With the ban of oil, buying oil from the US, for the US, from Russia, most likely gas prices are going to go up. And even President Biden alluded to that during his speech today. You can still position yourself in a bullish position on stocks that have squeeze possibility and make a lot of money even in this type of market because the market has not been doing well. And so let's go take a look at the SPY. I'm going to kind of show you what is going on, the different levels, so on and so forth. As you can see here, resistance is right here at 420 and we have support way down here at 411. So it closed today at 416. This could come all the way back to 411 and we could either bounce here or we could break support and go even lower because there's another gap that's open at 400. So it has been very, very tough so far in 2022 to make money. As you can see here from the beginning of 2022, this is going down. Well, one way that I fight this is I match up the insider activity to stocks that are in sectors that are really, really moving. So there's a bull market somewhere out there. There is something going nuts. And so it's up to us to try to find it as traders. And so what I like to do is pick out stocks that have high short percentage, that fit and are in hot sectors, or stocks that have had insider activity with a high short percentage and are in hot sectors is my favorite to get all 3 together. But I look very hard for these stocks. I spend a lot of time looking for them and going about my day to find them. And in today's video, that's what I'm going to cover. I'm going to cover 3 stocks that I found that I think should really help you because they are all in the oil and gas industry or energy industry. Anyway, let's get into it and take a look at these different stocks. And the very first one I'm going to talk about is KLX Energy Services, ticker symbol KLXE. My personal average in this is $12.26, so I bought it pretty high. But I'm not too worried about this because I know that gas prices are going to go up, and they provide oil field services to oil exploration companies. And so this is very key. They give them the supplies that they need to drill for oil, which is very necessary to get these prices down. And so KLX Energy Services also has a 14.79% short percentage. I can't believe there are shorts out there shorting this with what is going on in the market and everything that's going on in the world. This seems to be a very dangerous stock to short. But hey, what do I know? I'm not a bear. I've never been good at that type of investing. But I think that there's going to be some bears that are going to need to cover here. And this could be pretty exponential. So I like this one for a nice move as oil and gas prices go up. All right, the next one has had lots of insider activity over the last few days, and it's got a 16.10% short percentage. So those 2 things are pretty awesome. And so this is EOS Energy Services, ticker symbol EOSE. My personal average in this is $3.50. I just loaded up on this. And this is a battery storage solutions company. And so this goes more into clean energy and so on and so forth. But with higher gas prices, you know, a lot of consumers are going to be pushed and want to push towards getting an EV because they don't want to have to worry about gas prices going in the future, and they don't want this to happen to them again. But this stock has a 16.10% short percentage, and I see a big move coming here. It wasn't very long ago that it was oversold. It's had a good day, and it had a good day here, but it's right at a key support level. Kind of came back down to this support level here at the end of the day. So this is one that I think will really do well going into tomorrow. So if you're watching this and you like that it's had insider activity and also the sector that it's in, then you might consider buying a couple of shares and taking a look. All right, number 1 is Ion Geophysical, ticker symbol IO. And what this company does is it obtains images of Earth's subsurfaces so that oil companies can find the oil to get in and get that oil out of the ground. And so very, very key, revolutionary business. My average in this is $1.25. I like this one for a nice move. It has a 14.06% short percentage and a 54.34% borrow fee rate. And I think with oil and gas going to be really picking up here, trying to get those prices lower since we are not getting it from other sources like Russia, then I'm expecting this company to do very, very well with the climate of how things are going. So even though we've had this big pushback at the beginning of the morning, it was all the way up at $1.74, but it came all the way down, back down for a loss. I like that. I like that it's come back down. Some of the things I'm looking for is this the 13 EMA, and this is the 48 EMA, and we haven't even had a cross here yet. So this stock could get a lot more expensive. And the 52-week high is $3.28. That's a 300% upside. I can see us getting to that and maybe even higher. And so this is one stock I think that could really, really do well. Of course, I am not a financial advisor. You do your own due diligence on any stock that you go into. It is so important to have a strategy for every stock that you choose. Have a plan for an entry point and an exit point and stick to it. I wish you all the best on the stock market, and Raythoven out.